Let me show you how this heat map seasons indicator can take your trading to the next level. Imagine being able to spot overbought and oversold conditions at a glance. You can use the colors on the chart, blue for oversold and red for overbought, to find good places to enter or exit trades. The indicator also shows you a line called the regression line. This isn't just any line. For example, you can look for breakouts trades around this line. This indicator works across all markets, stocks, Forex, and crypto. What makes the heat map seasons indicator so unique? Unlike traditional trend indicators like moving averages, the heat map seasons indicator combines regression analysis with a color-coded heat map to provide deep insights into market trends and deviations. It helps eliminate market noise and focuses on identifying the true direction of price movements. To add it to your TradingView chart, click on Indicators at the top of TradingView. Search for Heat Map Seasons. Select it, and it will appear on your chart. And that's it. You're all set to start using the Heat Map Seasons indicator. Now, let's walk through some of the key features of the Heat Map Seasons indicator. Heat map visualization helps you quickly identify overbought and oversold conditions. Warm colors like red and orange signal overbought levels, while cool colors like blue point to oversold levels. This makes it easier to spot trading opportunities at a glance. Regression line acts as your trend reference point. It shows how far prices deviate from the trend, helping you identify potential breakouts or reversals. Seasonal gauge divides the market into two phases. Summer phase, high volatility with stronger trends, ideal for trend-following strategies. Winter phase, low volatility with range-bound movements, perfect for mean reversion setups. Let's go over the settings for the heat map seasons indicator. First, the length setting. This defines the number of bars used in the regression calculation. A smaller number, like 100, makes the indicator more reactive, showing smaller price deviations. This is great for short-term trading. A higher number, like 1000, smooths out the fluctuations and focuses on bigger trends, ideal for long-term traders. The default value is 200, a good balance for most strategies. Adjust the length depending on whether you prefer detailed short-term insights or a cleaner, long-term trend view. Next, the heat sensitivity setting. This controls how sensitive the heat map is to price changes. A lower value, like 50, focuses on broader trends and ignores smaller fluctuations. A higher value, like 90, highlights smaller market movements, giving you more frequent signals. The default value is set at 70, providing a middle ground between detail and simplicity. Finally, the Show Regression Line option. This is a simple toggle. You can turn it on to display the regression line, which serves as a reference for tracking price deviations. If you prefer a cleaner chart with just the heat map, you can turn this off. However, keeping it on is useful for identifying breakouts or reversals around the trend. Once you've customized all the settings to your liking, click OK to apply the changes. Buy trade setup on Bitcoin. The price is showing signs of a bullish reversal as it transitions from the winter phase to the summer phase, indicated by the heat map changing from cooler blue to warmer yellow tones. The price breaks above the regression line, signaling that bullish momentum is gaining strength. This breakout confirms the potential start of an uptrend. The best entry point for this buy trade is after the price breaks above the regression line with strong upward momentum. To manage risk, we set our stop loss just below the regression line and the most recent swing low. This ensures protection in case the price reverses unexpectedly. For the take profit target, we aim for a 1-to-5 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is 5 times the risk. Now, let's see how the sell trade plays out. Sell trade setup. The price is transitioning from the summer phase, indicated by warm colors on the heat map, to the winter phase, shown by cooler tones. This shift signals a loss of bullish momentum and the beginning of bearish sentiment. The best entry point for this trade is after the price breaks below the regression line, confirming the start of the downtrend. This transition aligns with the heat map's shift from orange and yellow to cooler shades, reinforcing the bearish setup. To manage risk, the stop loss is placed just above the regression line and the most recent swing high. This protects against any false breakouts back into the summer phase. For the take-profit target, we aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is 2 times the risk. Now, let's see how the sell trade plays out. Buy fake-out trade setup. The price is generally in an uptrend as it's trading above the regression line, signaling that bullish momentum is dominating. However, we see the price attempt to dip below the regression line, creating a fake-out. This false breakout occurs when the price briefly moves below the regression line, but quickly regains momentum and fails to sustain the downward move. The best entry point for this buy trade is after the price makes the fake-out and then reverses back above the regression line. This confirms that the overall uptrend is likely to continue. To manage risk, we set our stop loss just below the lowest point of the fake-out. This ensures protection in case the price unexpectedly moves downward. For the take-profit target, we aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is 3 times the risk. Now let's see how the buy trade plays out. Sell fake-out trade setup. The price is generally in a downtrend as it's trading below the regression line, signaling bearish momentum is dominating. However, we see the price attempt to move above the regression line, creating a fake-out. This false breakout occurs when the price briefly pushes above the regression line, but quickly loses momentum and fails to sustain the upward move. The best entry point for this sell trade is after the price makes the fake-out and then reverses back below the regression line. This confirms that the overall downtrend is likely to continue. To manage risk, we set our stop loss just above the highest point of the fake-out. This ensures protection in case the price unexpectedly reverses upward. For the take-profit target, we aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is 2 times the risk. Now, let's see how the sell trade plays out. Buy trade setup using oversold conditions. The price is generally in a downtrend, but we observe a potential reversal as the heat map transitions to deep blue colors, indicating oversold conditions. Additionally, a double bottom pattern forms, confirming strong support at the recent lows and signaling a potential bullish reversal. The best entry point for this trade is after the price creates the double bottom pattern, confirming the bullish reversal. To manage risk, the stop loss should be placed just below the lowest point of the double bottom, ensuring protection if the market continues downward. For the take-profit target, we aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio, or set near the regression line. Now, let's see how the sell trade plays out. Here is the last trade setup for this video. The price is trading above the regression line, indicating a strong uptrend. During this uptrend, the price forms a double bottom pattern on the regression line, signaling that the bullish momentum is about to strengthen. The best entry point for this trade is immediately after the double bottom formation is confirmed. This provides a clear signal that the bullish trend is likely to continue. To manage risk, set the stop loss just below the lowest point of the double bottom. This ensures protection in case the bullish momentum fails to materialize. For the take-profit target, we aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. Now, let's see how the buy trade plays out. That wraps up our overview of the heat map seasons indicator. This tool combines advanced regression analysis with intuitive visuals to identify key trading opportunities. Whether you're spotting trends, reversals, or breakouts, this indicator simplifies your decisions and enhances your strategy. Try it out and take your trading to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!